So in this question we have a 1 mole of ideal gas. Which of these following must be correct? So first is U and H each depends only on temperature. So it is correct, as in because an ideal gas has no intermolecular interactions. So this means the energy U of the ideal gas depends only on kinetic energy, not on potential energy. So this is correct. So next is compressibility factors. Z is not equal to 1. We know that compressibility factor Z is always equals to 1 for ideal gases, so this is incorrect. So next is Cpm minus Cvm is equals to R. We know that this is correct. This is correct. So next is dV is equals to Cv dt for any process. We know that dV is equals to Nc Vm dt. So this is also correct option. So from all of these A, C and D are correct, so the correct option will be first. So let's check the answers. Yeah, so the correct option is first.